Hello everyone, welcome to SQL Repository, and today we are going to discuss AWS Command Line Interface or AWS CLI. This is module number 0, Introduction, and here I am going to set your expectation about the course. So what exactly you are going to learn from this course? And you are going to learn everything that you see on your screen right now. We are going to install AWS CLI on a Windows machine, and from there we will deploy a VPC, then a subnet on that VPC, then we will deploy internet gateway, we will add the root in the root table, and we will discuss more about root table as well. Then using that network that we will set up as part of this course, we will deploy an EC2 virtual machine, and then we will discuss about it. Then we will deploy a RDS, which will be Postgres RDS, but they are more or less same, and they are very much similar if you want to deploy any other database engines. So you must get enough idea about AWS CLI to deploy RDS or manage RDS from this course. And at the end, I will discuss S3. So we will deploy S3 bucket and then we will play around it. So I will see you in the next video where I will install AWS CLI, and then after that we can use AWS CLI to configure our network and deploy EC2 machine, RDS and S3. Thank you for watching this video.